we can write a raised to m. A raised to m into a raised to n, which is nothing but a raised to m plus n. If the bases are same, if a is the base, so the bases are same means the power, you have to add the power. So the second identity is here a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. This is the identity, second identity. Yes, Saju. So first of all, a is the base and m is the power. So the two bases are same. Then you have to multiply the two exponents. That means a raised to m into a raised to n, which is nothing but a raised to m plus n. First of all, you have to know about a raised to 0. If any real number to the power is equal to 1. If any number, that means here any 3 raised to 0, which is nothing but 1. Next, we are moving on to the second one. So, from this, we can write it as a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. That is the second identity. Then the third one is, I am writing about a raised to minus, 2 raised to minus 2. What does mean by 2 raised to minus 2? 2 to the power minus 2. That means here we can write it as 1 by 2 raised to 2. 1 by 2 raised to 2. That means 2 raised to minus 2, which is nothing but 1 by 2 raised to 2. Okay, then next 3 raised to minus 2. What is the value? That is 3 to the power minus 2. That means 1 by 3 raised to 2. So generally we can write it as a raised to minus n or m equal to 1 by a raised to n. This is the third identity. So we can write it as a raised to minus n equal to 1 by a raised to n. Is it clear? Board clear. Okay. I will write in the red color. Now is it clear or not? Can you please reply? No. Okay. Wait a minute. One second. Now is it clear? No. Is it clear now? Okay, then a raised to minus n, that means a real number to the power minus values. That means 2 raised to minus 2, which is nothing but, is it clear or not? I think it is not clear. One second.